YouTube, what's going on? Logan here, and today we are biking to Newport. Anthony's on his way over right now. We got the bikes ready to go. We are starting off in Long Beach, so it's probably about a 20-mile ride or so, and it's gonna be super sweet. We're gonna take you along for the journey, so just waiting on Anthony to show up, and we will cruise out of here. Anthony has arrived.
I know. Fucking check this out, dude. $800 bike.
Dude, you gotta take that off.
What, the kickstand?
Yeah, you gotta get rid of that.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude.
You got some tools?
Yeah, let's take that shit off.
All right, let's do it right now. It's an Allen key.
Okay. We got like one of these?
Yeah. Yeah, give me one of those. It's not the right size, but
Oh, it's perfect.
no, it's
Perfect
not, dude.
fit,
Look at
dude.
that. Fucking loose as a goose. That's not the right size.
Definitely is, dude. Came right off. Yeah, no kickstand, no problem.
That's because whoever the fuck put it on there wasn't man enough.
Now, whoever put it on there wasn't using their fucking head. Rip this off.
Oh, that's the original sticker, dude.
Yeah, get that off. Yeah.
Oh,
There you go. Now it's yours, bro. Beautiful sunny day. Big chillin'. Damn, you did find a corner spot, huh? Parking's always a bitch around here. You've always wanted to go to the ballet?
Right there. Right next door, bro.
Before or after going to the gay bar?
I really don't care, bro. Whichever one gets me laid.
Yeah.
Talk your shit, dude.
Yeah, he wants to go to the ballet. This is the ballet. Except it's not a ballet, it's just where they have AA meetings. So maybe he does belong there. The speaker tied to the backpack. That's a speaker back, bro.
Bill Gates, get at me, bitch.
What the fuck do you tie that with? Some like
Paracord.
some
I don't think it's gonna work.
What
I
do
think
you
we're gonna
mean?
hear it drop.
Nah, bro, it's secure as fuck. We're off. Made it to Newport! Woohoo!
In the alley of the beach.
Yeah, not too bad of a ride today. Just an easy cruise once you get on that beach path. You know, there's only that one little blip of strip of land by the naval base where they don't have a beach path. But the rest of it, man, it's all sand and ocean. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Almost took that cougar down in front of her son. I tried octopus, shark, yak. The hell is the python?
Where the hell do you try python?
Right there at the pike. I'm telling you, bro. It's called the exotic foods.
This guy's on some shit, bro. Eating python, like, wait, what's that movie, Anaconda?
Ah.
Yeah, he's straight out the movie, Anaconda.
Give me some time, and I'm gonna fucking have myself some anaconda boots.
I fucking bet, dude, you're gonna be Crocodile Dundee. This guy could be Crocodile Dundee if he just had an Australian accent, or even put a fucking British accent on this guy. All right, so right now we're in Newport by the pier, just taking a little bathroom break. About to take the Balboa ferry, and from there we're gonna go to Corona del Mar, maybe hop in the water over at the beach, and then scout out some food. Danger is out here in Newport, man. They really got to build a bigger bike path out here because it's just a bike and pedestrian path and it's just whack, dude. I mean, it's hard to get any speed going. Too many people, too many pedestrians. And of course, Anthony's flying ahead like a rocket. He's crazy out here.
Jet ski rentals.
Let's go cop one.
And they actually only go 50. Because on
Really?
the ones that I work,
They govern them?
yeah.
That's lame, dude.
Because when I was fucking doing the tour guide thing, ours go 60.
Yeah, it is.
But
lame.
we limit the people to 50.
Oh, dude.
Because I'm not gonna lie, dude, water hurts at 50 miles an hour.
Yeah, if you fall off.
Yeah, you're gonna fall.
Nah, dude. I got a couple of these things up. They're down in AZ right now, but we're bringing them back out to California.
How many?
2
Are they Sea-Doos or jet skis?
Sea-Doos, big ass thing.
How fast do those ones go?
70.
Oh.
Yeah, dude. Fire.
Wait, do you need to tow them?
On a boat, on a trailer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Well, what do you mean?
obviously not gonna drive it. But
No, you can take these on the road.
hold up though. So man, how you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Pretty
Hey.
good. Something tells me that this blue square I'm not supposed to be in.
Yeah, well actually, yeah, you're in the handicap spot,
Yeah,
bro.
it's for the wheelchair. Maybe 450.
Cool, I got you, bro.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. What are you guys
Hold that.
vlogging for?
Oh, dude, we're big bloggers, man.
Oh, that's your full time.
Yeah, dude.
How many followers you got?
Oh, dude, couple million.
Really?
Yeah.
On what? Instagram or?
Yeah, YouTube. Hey, what up?
What do you guys do? Just
I'm a music producer.
Oh, that's
So I do
Oh, nice.
electronic
There you
dance music, and he does, he's nautical cowboy. I'm Logan Voss.
Logan Boss.
What's your name, bro?
Cooper.
Cooper?
Great
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Cool.
I got some points.
Oh, thank you, man.
Balboa Fun Zone. Land of the... I'm not gonna lie, this looks way more stable than what it was on the thing.
Well, dude, that's what I'm saying. That's how it was looking when I was recording it out in Hollywood.
Like, my hand is actually shaking, but it's not shaking at all. You think they would ever let me ride the ferry if I jumped off right now?
What do you mean?
I'm thinking about jumping right now.
Into the water?
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
I work out here. There's got to be some form of ticket.
Yeah, dude, they'd be pissed. Out here.
You think they would take my truck on here?
Yeah, but they probably wouldn't be happy about it. They'd try to take up the whole damn thing.
Actually, get a close up on that. The crazy part is, those things used to be made out of wood.
Now they're just
And people used
fiberglass,
to
dude.
make records. Now they're just as light as could be. One dude can carry that. Back then, 4 people actually can carry that. Oh, we can try this place right there.
What is it?
Actually,
The Balboa Marketing Grill? Yeah. Later, Cooper. Thank you. Whew. Anthony's trying to find the best spot to eat. Smacking down burritos.
Double up on the protein.
So we made it all the way to the beach. Got the bikes. About to go hop in the water. And yeah, just enjoying it. It's beautiful out here. Loving every minute. Getting a little bit of sun today. Just finished up in the ocean. Gorgeous out here. What's up, dude? I got him.
How many is that? I think they're showing at like maybe 40 feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 39, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 53.
53?
Yeah, dude. Secret way, dude. You were gonna keep going.
I lost all my speed.
You were gonna keep going.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, we get back to the beach path up here.
Huh?
We'll get back to the beach path up here.
Yeah.
KO'd, absolutely toasted, you know, super fried. 40 something miles later, I am, wow, look at that, just absolutely wind zapped, completely boomboozled. Yeah, the bug, dude.
Where's the owner?
Probably around here somewhere.
Where's the owner at? We gotta get a review of this thing.
That's that new. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I am absolutely burnt to a crisp. I look like the red lobster. I look like a cherry tomato on a hot, bright, sunny day. I am completely fried. I'm so sunburned that I don't even feel the sunburn. So like, yeah, it's that bad. Anyways, day's finished. Left around 10 a.m., back around 5 something. So pretty long day, pretty long ride, good shit all in between. Definitely recommend it if you live in Long Beach, or you're near Long Beach, or you live in Newport, you want to get out to Long Beach, whatever, give it a try. It's pretty cool. About 40 something miles between here and Corona del Mar, which is the beach we went to. Big vibes all around. Summer's coming up. Get outside, do something fun. Don't be afraid to push yourself a little bit further than you usually do, because when you go that extra mile, that's where you really see what life's about. So I bless you guys. I hope you guys are doing great, and thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe, like the video, drop a comment if you want to guess the Pantone of my sunburn. I don't care what you do. I just hope you have a good day. All right, later, guys.